board here on your map. Can you show me a letter and an animal? What's this? For?
Monkey.
That's right. What's this one?
E.
For?
Elephant.
That's right. What about this one?
Cheese.
Is for?
Giraffe. Jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish. That's right. What's this one down here?
Red duck.
Y is for yak. What's this one?
A.
A is for what?
A.
A is for?
Ultra.
Alligator.
Shop up.
Chomp chomp. What's that?
A big daddy.
B is for?
Daddy.
Bird? Tweet, tweet. Okay, what's this one? C is for cat. What's this one?
Dolphin.
D is for dolphin. That's right. What's this one? H is for?
Apple.
Hippo. That's right. What's that one?
O.
O is for? What is O for? Woo-hoo. What is that? What animal is that?
Uh-oh.
What? It's an O for?
Ow.
For owl, silly. What's that one?
A penguin.
Penguin. What letter is that?
Pizza penguin.
P is for penguin. That's right.
Waddle.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. Good job. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
A fly.
That's a butterfly, yep.
A flower.
And that's a flower, yeah.
Your flower is.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's for iguana. Good job, buddy.